So I want to install a 20 amp power outlet to the outside of the cabin, and I'm gonna mount it to the long side here, and there's a specific reason for it. Most people probably would put it right here on the front porch, but I have a reason to put it here on the side. And let's get this thing installed. Yeah, you remember my heat pump air conditioner set up here, so I gotta crawl under the cabin and get to the electrical box down there. I got conduit and already the 12 gauge ROMEX laying there, so let me crawl under it. Yeah, so welcome to the underside of my cabin. So this is where I ran the 20 amp service to the air conditioner slash heat pump. Okay, so I have access to my fuse box up here. That's my grounding rod. So I think I'm gonna come in over here from this side, open up the box, drill a hole, and then run 20 amp service to the other side over here where I want the outlet to be. So let's open this thing up. Yeah, so I took the cover off here. Take a look. There's nothing to it. Plenty of room. So I'm just gonna drill a hole. And I'm not quite sure if this center hole is large enough to get another ROMEX through it, so I'm gonna try that first. Otherwise, I just have to drill a hole right next to it. So that's good. Let me drill a hole over here. Let's see, I may need another one in the future, so I'm gonna put it... no, I'm gonna put it pretty low so I can get another one in the future above it. Yeah, that turns the wrong way. That's my connector. Got a nice 90-degree connector here. Almost a little further. See? Oh yeah, nice. Nice and snug, that's what we want. Let me see if this fits all the way. Oh, I like this. Yes. Love it. Okay. So now the ROMEX is coming in from here through the conduit. Oh boy. Through the 90-degree fitting. Oh look. I made markings already on the ROMEX, how far I need to go into the fuse box and also how far I need to get into the cabin. This is my fuse box mark right here. Okay, so once I'm up in the fuse box, this is how much needs to be in the fuse box. And there should be I see the other mark. So that's how much I need to feed into the cabin. I pre-measured it, so. Yeah, here, this is the other mark. Have an arrow on it, so this needs to go up into the cabin. Okay. So once it goes in here, there we go, a little bit more. Okay, this is it. So this goes into the box. Oh, hi, Remy. And then this nut goes in here, right? Because it mounts to the female end. So I think that's how it goes. So put the nut on it. Nice and tight. Waterproof. Okay. Here's my mark. And now all this goes up in between the wall to my fuse box. The inverter is not turned on, so there's no electricity in the cabin right now, so it should be safe to just shove it up there. Yep, I'm already bumping against something, so that's a good sign. Needs to go a little further. Coming up on the mark. Okay. Oh, that's the mark. This looks good. Let's tighten the nut a little bit more. That's plenty. Let's get the lid back on it. A little schmutz in there. Nice. Okay, very good. Let's think about the sleeve, the flexible conduit. I don't have wire loop. I have dish soap, so I don't know if I need it. I should probably run the conduit, see how much I need, right? Is that the sequence of events? Tripod. It's not so easy. Okay, different angle here, guys. This is cinematic footage. I am coming up this way. Oh, this is my generator input. I never use this thing. Actually, I'm probably gonna test it tomorrow. Let's make sure it still runs. And I think the outlet should go right underneath it right here. So let me get it, see if we can mount it, and then I gotta cut the conduit, get some dish soap and run the ROMEX through the flexible conduit. So this outlet should go here. Okay, let me see if, oh, here's the wire. Get some extra light in here, see if you guys can see this. So this, we just ran. Let me reach over it. There's my mark. Right there. Goes to the bottom of the fuse box. Actually goes in over here. I'll run it through in a minute. Perfect. Amazing how this works sometimes. Conduit right here. ROMEX. I do have dish soap, but I think regular soap may work better because it is a little more viscous. So some soap on this wire. Let's get this guy in there. Oh, it smells good. It's still moving. Yep, here it is, coming out the other end. Oh, yes. Oh, nice. The nut over it, tighten this up. I like it. Oh, yes. Yep. Seal of approval. Ooh. Okay, it's going that way. Should I crawl out this way or go the other way? Well, I'm halfway there, so I might as well go this way. Oh, got the electrical inspector showing up here. Oh, yeah. Yep, he approves. I'm back in basic training. Ooh. Okay. Get out. Inspector. All right. Here we go. That's where we're going. Okay, so this is a box. Run this wire through. Can you guys see? I don't think you guys can see anything. Here we go. Oh, nice and tight. You think it's okay if it's a little over? It doesn't matter. Oh, you guys are still watching me. All right, here we go. Here we go. Since you watched me, I didn't have the right tools, so I was embarrassed. So I'm just gonna strip this off. And I know this may not be the way electricians do it, that's why I do it. So, and I think I can strip off most of it, right guys? Like, I think this is good. And I need the other hand. Let me just cut this off. Well, this is what it looks like. Probably could be a little bit shorter, but I think this is good. Let me strip the ends off, and I think on the back of this thing, yeah, right here, there's a gauge actually that tells you how much to strip off. So, but I need both hands for it. So you put it on here, and then you strip it off, and then you have a load side and the other side. So you got to hook this to the right side. So this is a metal box, and here's my grounding screw. Since the ground comes in, it needs to go around this screw first before I hook it up to the outlet. So let me get that done real quick. Okay, I bend a full circle here, so I'm gonna put the screw right in here. Yell at me in the comments if it's wrong. Okay, so line is down here, white goes on white, and then black goes on this gold screw. I'm gonna put the ground on first, so that's gonna be all the way at the bottom. Of course, these are GFCI and has a WR rating on it, so that's good. So now this cover goes on. There we go. There you go. Your outdoor water resistant rated outlet with an opening to run your extension cord out, you know. So there you go. Well, let's wire the inside and fire this thing up, see if it works. So let me show you what I have. So I bought another 20 amp fuse. So this is where the hot lead goes, right? So let me see if I can get this in here. Oh. There we go. Okay, so that's in there. Okay, so here it is. Pulled this guy through. Got to strip the yellow off. Here's my mark, by the way, that I measured in the first place, so that's pretty good, right to the mark. So let me get the yellow off. Yeah, I just want to show you this real quick. I had to pull these two fuses out to get to the ground bus bar and get a stubby screwdriver on it. So I do need both hands for this. So okay, good. So the ground is connected. I made sure all the other screws are still tight. And the hot runs through this 20 amp fuse right here. So that's that. The only thing left to do is the neutral. And I don't have wire cutter, so I can't really cut this. I may find a innovative way to shorten this conductor here and hook it up here to the neutral bus bar. Yeah, I managed to shorten the conductor, strip it. Now I'm just gonna hook it up to this bus bar. Yep, all good. Guys, neutral is hooked up. Ground. L1. Really good. Let's put this fuse box back together and see if it works. Okay, let's turn the inverter on. That's all working. Let me see here. Put some lights on. We got lights now. Okay. Of course, that's all hot. Let's throw this breaker on. Okay, let's check outside. Beautiful day today. Oh wow. Let's see. Come on, there better be some power on here. Okay, that's good. Okay, that looks good. GFCI seems to be working. Okay, I like it. Let's plug something in. The only thing I have is a battery charger for my power tool. So there you go. Yep, and it's charging. And it's charged. So our outlet works. Yeah, so here the power outlet is installed now. I tested it, it works fine. And it's GFCI and it has an outdoor rating. Alright, see you guys on the next one.